Hello, and thanks for joining us this Tuesday for our daily market coverage presented by FX, your reliable partner in trading. Here's today's financial headlines.
Microsoft traded at $450.18, down 1.1% on Monday. The decline was likely driven by broader market trends and negative investor sentiment. The Spanish stock market index traded above 14,000 euros on Tuesday, driven by gains in the consumer goods and financial services sectors. Natural gas futures in the U.S. hovered near $3.30, as investors were weighing supply and demand dynamics. The euro edged higher toward $1.14, its strongest level in about a month, after President Trump announced a delay in the planned 50% tariff on EU imports. Ether traded at around $2,550 this Tuesday, decreasing by 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Ether gained over 40%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 6 a.m., Germany to release the Consumer Confidence Index for June, following -20.6 in May. At 6:45 a.m., the annual inflation rate in France is expected to increase, after reaching 0.8% in April. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the durable goods orders of April, following 7.5% in March. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 8 a.m., Germany to release the unemployment rate for May, following 6.3% in April. At 10:30 a.m., the annual industrial production in India is expected to increase, after reaching 3% in April. At 8:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the crude oil stock change of May 23rd, following 2.5 million barrels in the week ending May 16th.
And that's it for today's market news roundup, presented by FX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.